Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to Start to Investing, the ultimate destination for all things YouTube and social media. In today's video, we're diving into the world of TikTok and unlocking the secrets to creating a viral video that will skyrocket your presence on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned TikToker or just starting out, this video is jam-packed with invaluable tips and strategies to help you take your content to the next level. So, grab your notepads and get ready to discover the winning formula for crafting a viral video on TikTok. Creating a viral video on TikTok can be a combination of creativity, timing, and understanding the platform's trends and audience. While there's no guaranteed formula for going viral, here are some tips to increase your chances. Understand the TikTok community. Spend time exploring the platform to grasp the types of content that resonate with users. Pay attention to trending hashtags, challenges, and popular music to get a sense of what's popular. Find a unique angle. Put a creative twist on an existing trend or come up with a completely original idea that captures attention. Unique and unexpected content tends to stand out on TikTok. Keep it short and engaging. TikTok videos are typically short, so make sure your video is concise and holds viewers' attention. Use quick cuts, catchy music, and captivating visuals to make it engaging from the beginning. Use popular songs and sound bites. Music plays a significant role on TikTok. Utilize popular songs or sound bites that align with the mood or theme of your video. Memorable audio can make your content more shareable. Create a strong hook. Capture viewers' attention within the first few seconds. Use an intriguing visual, pose a question, or present a surprising moment to encourage people to keep watching. Add captions and text overlays. Use captions and text overlays to make your video more accessible and understandable, especially if your content relies heavily on audio. Leverage hashtags. Research and include relevant hashtags in your video's caption. This can help your content reach a wider audience and potentially get featured in the Discover section or relevant hashtag challenges. Participate in challenges and trends. Jumping on existing challenges and trends can boost your chances of going viral. Put your unique spin on a popular challenge or create your own, but ensure it aligns with your brand or message. Engage with the TikTok community. Interact with other TikTok creators by leaving comments, engaging with their content, and collaborating on videos. Building connections and participating in the community can help increase visibility for your own content. Share on other platforms. Cross-promote your TikTok video on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. This can help drive traffic to your TikTok profile and increase the chances of your video going viral. Remember, going viral is never a guarantee, but by creating high-quality, engaging, and on-trend content, you can increase your chances of capturing the attention of the TikTok community and potentially reaching a wide audience. And there you have it, my friends, the ultimate guide to creating a viral video on TikTok. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and are feeling inspired to unleash your creativity on the platform. Remember, going viral isn't guaranteed, but by implementing the strategies we've discussed today, you'll significantly increase your chances of capturing the attention of millions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Start to Investing for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. As always, thank you for your support, and I can't wait to see your TikTok masterpieces go viral. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.